Are they waiting?
Ghana.
Eka first man. I did South out my name so.
No, Saturday, no, call. You bring the grass in the not to call the text mama.
You know, no say not to big brother they talk to so.
Big brother.
Big brother about.
Who's that? Who's that? You. What you pulling now? Put on you say.
They were waiting me money.
Wait.
Me money,
What you mouth up?
me money.
Now the cost.
Nobody's in the South out for.
What the money?
Nobody's.
What the money?
Now this.
Yes.
Let me take her.
I tell you. Now the big rats in this.
Where they go?
Yeah.
Now.
Let me take her.
Yeah.
Oh. So enough for say right now.
Eh.
But people they dey go for go buy big brother form.
Yes.
You know. So myself now no say I get for go stand and I me get for winner. Yeah, by God in power. So you are gonna for go buy the form now. Then it's now 21 years of age. So myself now that go buy age. Yes.
What the money? Who's the money go buy?
That the money I take now go buy the age.
You
You know say that me that be picking me now 2 weeks and 6 months are old. So I go they say I no reach it. So now come be top one man they sell boku age there. So now by 25 years age.
Get this one now, small door. Here he give me money for him. It's a kind if I go buy it for house medicine alone. Now look, there's ideas. If people are not sorry for votes for them, they come with ideas. Sierra Leoneans, people. Yeah, una come together. Una help me sorry for that beginning on the boats for up. Look, Sierra Leoneans. Mount Water, don't have so many comedy skits in the episode there. They don't pay up. They don't go plenty on them. They go patronize with people in them. They don't pay up. Sierra Leonean, that's all now I do me begin. Yeah, una sorry for me begin. Like when you cry sorry. He sacrifices for the other one. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Le kwa dibile sunia. Una ode kasu na botu wa maudo. Una noko life so. You botu wa maudo le maudo win. Ultimate alone. Kori what you? Who are the cry? We had to live for them papa cry. Who is it papa the cry so much? No say this you don't come up play. They want the only way they beat him out inside the household because we not turn up for boats for head. If you mouth and fast them all over the world. Maudo and fast them all over the world. Like China, they come together. Nobody need to try Maudo. Maudo don't try for this nation, Sierra Leone, and they don't try for them. People in them when they live in the diaspora, please. I'm down on my knees. I'm down on my knees begging you people. Support him. You know he's the best comedian ever in Sierra Leone. Why can't you just come out and show your support for Maudo? Please help me this. Help me, let's fight this fight together. Ibrahim sorry Barry again Maudo Otoya. You know the code is 20 to 5500. Send the code for Maudo and surely God will bless you. And the villa for me begin. Yes, I know. Salad never for Maudo. America, UK, England, China. Never from Maudo. Don't forget to share it. Share it all over the world. All over the world, people living in the diaspora. Please, do your support for Ibrahim Soribari. If you feel like doing this, do it. Drop your own video for Ibrahim Soribari. Sensitize people. Let them vote for him. Tell them about him. Sierra Leone, this will not come up publicly. That online voting, it help Maudo, but it help much. Now, how you only vote, you vote physical one that SMS, when the corner of resell they go for up. Now, in the Luto. So, dear police, if you feel like, no, if for help, not if you feel like, please help us. Help us financially. Just contact this number 077 655 708. Or you contact 088 6458 15 with the remaining number is showing on the screen. Please help us financially. If you want to help us, contact us. This is a playful man. Therefore, the greats when they answer about the papa. I was in me begin better one. Me begin, I don't tire for they celebrate for them so bad. They make you go inside house, you make salon. It don't land book. It don't credit. Yeah. una help up. I was sending the code back. Let go do order. Even the masters now, do I pass masters? Let go for tap day. People in them not the diaspora. I dey pray. Let God provide for no provide for Team Pampers. The Pampers boy then house. Who's come bra we in this universe? When they na salon. When they na the diaspora, when they want small the episode them. We go tell me say pikin no like am. Maudo don't make some beginning any reward then they sit on the house. Maudo don't create relationship within the beginning. Mama, papa, brother and sister, they only they sit up, watch Maudo phone, then they laugh. For that reason, grandpa, granny, mama, papa, brother, sister, una don't talk, long bones for Maudo. The code in the 20 to 5500. You are sorry for me begin. If you know say yes, you na komra, you like you begin. But for Maudo they try the entertainment inside the house. You go inside the house, you not forgetting Papa Sikra go. Still in the entertainment for let you show and say you capable for do am. So there, mama and papa there. And the make una like fathers. There, komra, una no support Maudo. Who want to sell the Pampers? Them Pampers sellers there. Binters, baby diapers, Pampers, Maudo the adverts, una don't turn up. Oh, una want support Maudo financially. Una tell this number 077 655 708 or 088 645815. All you want to sell Pampers in this country. Una come together. No advertise this, no send this code, no throw support for Maudo. Maudo they advertise Pampers. Maudo they padu for now. Maudo don't make Pampers in the selling in this country. Yeah. Pampers is seller. Una come, no evidence. No only bet this way. I don't. Oh,